Okay, well, um, we're gonna see what happens. I just feel the energies are just out of uh, out of sight. Um, and all day I felt like something is, wanting to link up because the videos were just keep starting to want to go out of sync. So something, is wanting to come through, and we're just going to see. But I just restarted the computer because I wanted to make sure that it wasn't just there's a lot of stuff on here and so it's doing, but that's not what it is. I can feel. Now, like I said, I went through Kundalini and all the energetic things, and I just feel there's a big rush of energy just going, and I mean consciousness just really so I'm just going to sit here for a few minutes and just see, because I don't have, usually I have a topic. I don't have a topic, so yeah, doing the balanced breath, I'm just in the ozones here. So I'm just going to let the energy ground. I am just tingling all over. It's like being plugged into a high wire, electric. There's a major shift coming of higher consciousness to the planetary people on this realm of existence, and we are here again to aid you with the shift. Those that are going in their spiritual life, expect more openings to occur. More openings are going to happen. Higher awareness is coming in, so don't be surprised that you see things getting a little more crazy as it is, because those of lower vibration and lower consciousness are going to really feel this shift as an irritation to them, because they are not able to deal with the energies that are going to be coming into this planetary awareness. Now things are going to shift. Big major shift is coming in, and there is going to be the karmic unfolding for this planet and for people in general. So don't be surprised at what you see and what you feel as coming through. We are here to aid those that are light workers and those that are going towards the light, those that are going higher in consciousness and awareness. More things are going to open. Magical, mystical things are going to feel as if they are opening, and indeed they are going to be opening for those that are ready for these shifts. So don't be surprised if all of a sudden you are feeling these unusual things start to occur across the planet. This is for higher awareness, for more understanding, for more love, light, and those things that one has been looking for so many eons. Many of people here are ready to make a shift into a higher consciousness and higher understanding and higher awareness. There are so many things going to be happening in this planet, but don't be surprised when you see major shifts when it comes to weather, when it comes to consciousness, when it comes to ideations, when it comes to the interactions between beings here. There are going to be more sightings of UFOs and that type of phenomena as well. Again, don't be surprised when you see these things start to occur, because it is time, it is time, it is time now. So many things are taking place. As you see these things are happening, the greed are getting more greedy, and these things are going to cause a breaking point for this system that you have in place now. So don't be surprised at the shifts that are going to come in. Don't fear. Don't fear. Don't fear. That's the main message we want to give you. Don't fear. And to just be open to these shifts and these awarenesses. For those of you that are seeking, now is the time to open the doors. Now is the time to go forward for your consciousness. For we are here to aid you. This is the time where things can begin to open for those that are serious about their spiritual path, that want to realize the divine is, those that want to realize that God essence, those that want to realize that higher consciousness, those that want to become elevated in their awareness and their understanding, and come to the wisdom rather than just facts and figures and that type of thing. You need to come to the wisdom, and wisdom only comes when you have progressed in the journey and you have gone beyond those limitations. So continue your journeys forward, continue to go forward, and keep looking for light and be open to that. But the thing is, when these shifts are coming, and they are coming, don't fear. Don't fear. Know that we are in the process, and when these things happen, that this is a way to clear the planetary energy of these striations that are taking place. Now, we know that can be a time of fear, because you see so many things happening. You see weather shifts, you see floods, you see hurricanes, you see all of these things happening. You see more people losing their homes, more people going through these difficult times. You see wars, you see rumors of wars, you see all of these things, the propaganda that continues to play out. And while you may be aware of the negatives, on the other side there are positives coming in too. These negatives arise so you can see and clear the air of them, and they will be cleared in time. So during this time, do not fear, and continue to go forward in your own life, and do not get depressed, do not get discouraged, do not go into especially fear mode. I know this is one that many people are transiting through now, is fear, because you see all of these things happening, more mass shootings, more homelessness, more propaganda, more of these dramas that continue to arise. And it is because the energies are rising. It is because these shifts are coming in, and those of the lower vibration cannot handle this awareness. They cannot handle these shifts. They cannot handle this energy. So know, when you see these things coming upon you, that this is not a negative thing in the end. It is positive. It means that these vibrations are becoming more and more elevated. And therefore, continue forward, because we are there to continue to aid those that want to make the journey into enlightenment, into realization, into understanding, into more of that compassion and love element. And so for that to take place, these other things need to be cleared first. So you will see many things happening, but continue your journey forward. Know these shifts are coming in and be prepared for it. And don't think that because you see these things happening, that somehow the planet is lost, somehow the dark forces are elevated, and that they are winning this war between the light and the dark. It is not true. That is not what's happening. What's happening is that these dark forces cannot stand the light that is coming in at this present time. And so they are at this present time having so much difficulty and just, losing their minds because of this energy that is coming in. So be open to these shifts, be open to this higher awareness, and know that we are there to aid you in that journey to go forward. Okay, that's basically what I feel is coming through. Yeah, I'm just feeling higher, more ability for people to connect is what I'm feeling. There's more of an ability for people to connect that are so interested, and that those of the lower consciousness that are out for ego, they're going to have a difficult time during this transition, and things are going to get even crazier because they can't take that energy. It is an irritation to them. So you'll see more of these things happening, dividing the darkness from the light. Okay? Yeah, big time of transition, and something is going to happen big, more UFO things. Yeah. We'll see if something else comes through, because I'm just, like I said, today, all day, I'm just feeling this. Yeah, my whole body's just. Yeah, I'm feeling like I'm almost not even in my body. It's just, and just a feeling of a cleansing, a big major shift coming. And things are going to get crazier, as if they're not crazy enough already. So it's just kind of the feeling like buckle your seatbelts, because we are in for a ride. And we bought a ticket to it. We wanted to be here during this time, so get ready. Here comes the rain again. Yeah, just a time of cleansing is what it feels like. It's a time of cleansing and a time of these things are elevating. It's like a feeling like there's more open channel. The things that were in the way, like if you have a big cloud cover, like that's breaking. And so there is more ability to be able to connect with that veil is becoming thinner, is what it feels like. The veil is thinner. And so that those that are going towards light and want that awareness and want to have that understanding, there is more ability for that. You're going to have better meditations. Okay? But you need to stay grounded. You really need to stay grounded during this time. So that's so important, to stay grounded. And more is going to open up for you for meditation, etc. You'll have more aha moments, more things all of a sudden are going to be flashing in. So try to stay as much as you can in the moment, okay? And be ready for these shifts. Don't be surprised at what's coming. Don't be surprised whatever you see happening, because that division is really amping up now. And with that elevated energy, the lower vibration ones are going to get more crazed. They cannot handle that energy. So yeah, I'm going to leave this here. Much love and light. See you online.